Hello guys, my name is Liam and today it's Bonfire Night, yeah! Happy Bonfire Night guys, yeah. Because we're about to see the fireworks and the bonfire tonight, yeah. And Toby's not coming because he's petrified of fireworks. Yeah, he can hear more than we do humans, yeah. Yeah, we're going now. Look at the fireworks up there. Brilliant. Yeah, we're now going to see the bonfire and the fireworks. Yeah, it's going to be really fun and I'm excited for it. Yeah, I just seen those fireworks go up now. Yeah, just then. And it was amazing. Yeah, and there's so many fireworks going around right now. I can hear the bang. I could just hear the bang going around everywhere. Yeah. And smoky streets. And smoky streets. Okay guys, there's some fireworks set off right there, as you can see. Yeah guys, we've got that firework behind it is crazy. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, anyways guys, we're going to buy South Dean and set off some fireworks there and watch the bonfire and look at the fireworks. They're good and very crazy, yeah. Just right there in the dark, there's some fireworks that we're going to set off. I love those fireworks. Yeah, it was just set right over there, where the new houses are. That's where the fireworks are set that you've seen before. There's some fireworks over there. Yeah, in the darkness of Northwood. Oh my god, there's some fireworks over there where we're going past the McDonald's. Oh my god, that's good. There. Yeah, over there, that will be us in a minute. I'll see you in a minute though. There's some fireworks in the South Dean spot of the bonfire that's going to be set up tonight on fire. Yeah, it's right there in the dark. Yeah. Yeah, we're here at the South Dean bonfire site right there. Yep. It's very dark at the moment, but when it gets set on fire, it's going to look very cool and more bright and very amazing. Yeah. Can't wait to get out and have a look at it in person. Amazing. I'll see you when we're getting out. Look over there. Nice firework, yeah. It's very smoky over there. Even over there. Yeah. Fireworks are nice there, yeah. It's smoky because there's so many fireworks being set off. Over there, it's the bonfire. So it's gonna be set on fire soon. And I'm excited for it. Look at the sparkler that Daddy set it up.
Hold it underneath.
Good sparkler. Me and Olivia have one. Liam, I spelt it. Look. That was loud. Amazing. Using a firework with my sparkler. Wow. They look cool. Nice. It's nearly running out. It's running out now. It's gone. I have another sparkler and Olivia does. They look cool. Cool. There's Olivia with a sparkler. More over there again. Yay! Very surprised. That's big and loud. I noticed there's something over there that might be selling food like hot dogs, and there's a firework over there, and burgers. And you know I love me some hot dogs and burgers. So we've got to go over there at some point today, at this night. Nice. Okay guys, we're here.
Look at Imogen.
Look at Imogen. Nice. Enjoying the bonfire night. Okay guys, we're here in South Dean where the bonfire is. And we're having a look at some fireworks around us. Nice. That's going to be set on fire soon. Wow, look at that firework. Nice. Fireworks over there. Yeah. They're enjoying our time. You're enjoying our time. We're just waiting for some massive fireworks to be lit. I noticed that some streets were smoky, like this one. Yeah, because there's so many fireworks being set off. And that causes smoke. Look at that firework over there, that just being blown up again. Yeah, that firework's been set there, you can see. Nice. Whoa! Big fireworks they are. Whoa! That's what we're here for. Oh! How big was that firework? This is amazing. Can't wait for that to be set off. Wow. Nice firework that. Can't wait for that bonfire to be set on fire so I can have a look and show you guys that. Look at Imogen. Chilling in a pram. Whoa, fireworks have been set up. Yeah, in the bonfire area of Bonfire Night, where the fireworks have been set off. There's some smoke over there because of the fireworks. Cool. I like it here. And that's why I'm vlogging here for you guys. Whoa. Yes, there we go. They're everywhere. Fireworks. Yeah. Oh my god, that was... Okay guys, the bonfire's starting. Yeah, it's going on fire. Yeah, it's starting. Whoa. Wow. Ready to be burned. Oh my god, that bonfire is really on fire now. Looking amazing. That fire spreading on the bonfire is so big and good. Amazing. What we're here to see. Wow, that was crazy! Fireworks blasting off right behind me. And I had to look. Anyways, we're queuing up for some hot dogs. That was free, that's good to know. And here's the bonfire. Driving around here. So guys, we went past the craziest fireworks I've ever crossed to. And I'm finishing my hot dog. Going over to have a closer look at the bonfire. Nice. Where Daddy and Imogen are. Wow, look at the view of that bonfire. It's very phenomenal and amazing. That's so big. I love it. There's Imogen, having a walk right next to the bonfire. There's another bonfire. I love the look of that bonfire. So amazing. Oh my god, that bonfire is so amazing. All the thing burning on that bonfire, the fire burns all of that, which is good. And that's how it's called a bonfire. It's so amazing how things are burnt on that. Anyways, the view of the bonfire is so amazing. with all of those things being burnt with the fire. Yeah, with the fire burning all those stuff. So good. Love the view of that bonfire though. Good. There's Imogen. Walking right next to the bonfire with fireworks right behind it. Nice. Wow. Blooming hell. That was crazy. Yet again. Wow. Craziest fireworks I've ever crossed to and witnessed. Here's Imogen. There's the baby girl. Having a walk at bonfire night. Yeah, it's the first time spent at the bonfire tour event. Yeah, the bonfire night event with the bonfire and crazy fireworks. Amazing. Olivia said there's ash falling because of that. Next, that's ash. There's a bonfire there. Next to fireworks. There's ash falling. Ah! Ash falling. Insane. That was insane. Probably one of the best bonfire nights I've ever had in my life. Cool. With the bonfire and stuff. It's so lovely. Nice. Amazing. And those fireworks were very crazy good and amazing. Phenomenal with how loud and crazy they are. Good. Here's Imogen, having a walk again by the bonfire. When you go close, it's getting very hot. Yeah, because there's fire burning all those stuff there. She's so cute there. Having a walk. That's right. Oh, here we go again with the amazing loud fireworks. Whoa! Phenomenal fireworks. Confirmed. Very crazy and nice. Yeah, there's the bonfire, which is slowly going down because of it's been burned. Yeah, and it's a very good bonfire. Yeah, and the fire's rising high. Whoa, good firework that. Very big. Yeah. Nice bonfire though. Very good. With the bonfire rising, yeah, with all the stuff on it going down, while the fire rises up, which is amazing to see. Cool. Amazing. Nice to see. Here we go. With those things, you're going up, shooting up, yeah, nice. Yeah, the bonfire's slowly going out now, with the fire going high, and all the stuff on it going down, because it's been burnt by the nice fire. Bonfire, yeah. The fire on the bonfire is going high now. With the bonfire, yeah, cool. Absolutely amazing. It's really warm when you're here. Yeah, because of the fire. It's very hot and warm here. Good day to warm down on bonfire night. Yeah, all the stuff on the bonfire is going down while the fire is rising up. Yeah, on the bonfire. Amazing. Well, guys, what a night we had. Absolutely brilliant. So guys, after this, we're going to our Auntie Laura's to set off fireworks. Our own fireworks. Oh my ears! Very, very crazy here. In an amazing way. And there's so many people throwing stuff on the bonfire to make it thrive. And it's already crazy here. The good bonfire there. Good. Oh my god. Amazing. It's a Catherine wheel. It's the Catherine wheel. The Catherine wheel at Laura's house. There's the fountain being set off. Wow, cool that. It's actually banging now. So what? Shot and something. Whoa!
Wow!
There's more.
Oh, it's a volcano.
That's a volcano, it says. At the front of Laura's house. That's it there. Cool, that's it. Okay guys, we're at Laura's house, setting off the fireworks stuff. Amazing. We're having a great time so far. Daddy already set some off, and they were amazing. There's already some set off by Daddy. Amazing. And I love the Catherine wheel. I love the Catherine wheel. Yeah, there's some already set off, and there's more Catherine wheels going on. It smells funny, yeah, because of what happened now. Already set off, like the Catherine wheel there. They're ready to get set off. The Catherine wheel. Whoa! More insane! That's so good, the Catherine wheel, and it fell off. Yeah, that was the Catherine wheel, and it fell off. And there's more being set off. There's more being set off. Yep, like that. Firework. Whoa! Wow, cool. That was a big bang. Now smoky. That was a firework setting off. Being set off, yeah. And there's more to come. Yeah, those fireworks being set off, amazing. So far, amazing.
My phone's gone missing.
Whoa!
Wow, look at that.
Cool there. It's like a fountain.
All done.
Done! So Laura has some Christmas decorations up, yeah, because she likes to. Yeah, that's what she said. Yeah, she really is into the Christmas spirit early. Okay guys, we just came back home and had a meal now. Yeah. I had chicken nuggets and chips, and Olivia's having fish fingers and chips right now. Yeah. And Harry likes toast, so he's having toast right now, that I imagine. And nuggets as well, because we put in 4 nuggets for Harry. Yeah. That's what he likes. So guys, we had a bonfire night. Yeah, and I enjoyed it a lot. We see so many crazy, insane fireworks in a bonfire. That's so big and amazing. Yeah, all the things on the bonfire getting burnt. I love it. And then we went to Laura's house and set up some fireworks there. And I even set so many fireworks off. It's so good. Yeah, with myself. Yeah, by myself. yeah, setting off the fireworks. Yeah, and even Mummy and Daddy helped out. Yeah, it was good. Yeah, it was like watching something amazing like that at Laura's house. Yeah. That was also a good time that we had, setting off our own fireworks at Laura's house. That's my auntie's, yeah. It was amazing. Yeah, with the Catherine wheel, the volcano popping out, and the firework fountain. Yeah, that was so good on the ground. And even fireworks that shoot up and explodes like the classic firework. It was so good. Not the biggest, but it was quite good. Yeah. We had an amazing bonfire night We had an amazing bonfire night today. It was really good. Yeah. Brilliant. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just remember to like and subscribe to this channel. It will be greatly appreciated. It will mean the world to me, so remember to do that. Yeah, so doing that will be greatly appreciated. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!